And we're going to move to the channel sections. And so to import the channel sections is just like the other imports of the stream bed and the upper valley section. Again, you just go to your survey data, and we're going to zoom into the typical upstream valley section. And the way this is supposed to be brought into the spreadsheet, if we go back to the spreadsheet, I'm going to hover over this area, or actually this area up here. I think it's this one here. Points, there we go. It says points need to be listed below in the order of as the typical section traverses from left to right across the stream bed looking downstream. So again, we're entering the data from left to right as you're looking downstream. Let's take a look at how they did it. Again, they went from the right to the left, so we're going to have to invert this data once we get it in. So to do that, I'm going to hit F4. I'm going to turn off my civil AccuDraw, and I'm going to go just click on this survey chain. I'm going to go over to Edit Point Features. Again, I'm going to select everything in here. I'm going to select in the column area and right-click and open up my report. Once I have it in my report, I want to go to the survey points table. I have it in the correct kind of format, but now I need to export it out to an Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to export that out. I'm going to select the data. I'm going to right-click and copy. I'm going to go back to my GeoHec spreadsheet in the typical upstream channel area. I'm going to click in row 1 of the section. I'm going to paste that data in there. Now remember, this data was entered from the right to the left. It needs to be left to right. So all you have to do is invert the upstream channel section. And then we're also just going to go ahead and visualize it to see what it looks like. And that looks good. So we're going to go ahead and return back to the main page. And now we're going to enter the station. Again, the stationing is the intersection of this typical upstream channel with the stream bed, and it's the stream bed stationing. So to figure out what that is, again, we're going to go back to our microstation. I'm going to hit F4. I'm going to go back to my civil AccuDraw and turn it back on. I've got the X station offset turned on. I'm going to go to some horizontal tool. I'm going to make sure my snap mode is intersection, and I'm just going to kind of hover over the intersection point. And so that's how you get the stationing. It's in that readout, heads up readout. We got 3522.30. 3522.30. Go back to my spreadsheet, type in 35 plus 22.30. I'm going to tab that in.